Okay, we're here checking on the baby birds, and you can see they're all huddled together because it's very cold out here today. Nothing like it was yesterday. Go around this way. You can see them. But I also had another little surprise. We have double front doors, and let me move here for a minute. Hold on. Because in the other nest, we have 5 little eggs. And the mummy bird has been going back and forth between this one and the one with the babies in it. Whoops, that's it, there they are right there. He's just looking. Well, I'm going to close this for right now because that mummy bird is out here chirping away and wants to come back and feed her babies. Or it could be the other mummy who is trying to keep her eggs nice and warm in the nest.